So many of you have asked for a walk around the HL Paradise Island in Playa Blanca, Lanzarote, and when Tom and Jack got in contact and said, we're staying here, do you want to have a look around the room? I jumped at the chance. Now I got here early so I could have a good old nose around before meeting up with them. Everything here is downstairs, so that's where we went first. Through them double doors leads you to the pool area, and either side of that is the restaurant as well. Now I'm going to show you what breakfast looks like, so make sure to watch this video to the end. Over the bridge and towards the big blue beautiful pool with the sun rising, it is such a picturesque place. Now this is a big family hotel, so it's a hub of excitement and there's plenty of room around the pool. However, this was early morning and you can see a lot of people have already got their towels down and are reserving sunbeds, so that could be a potential issue. In saying that, there are plenty of sunbeds and plenty of space for you around the pool, and there's an actual water park on site as well, which I'm going to show you. But the pool is huge and this is where most people tend to spend the day. The pool bar area was just off the pool, as you would expect, and just up the stairs, and it's huge as well. This is where you get all your drinks and your snacks if you're all inclusive throughout the day, and you can just sit here and relax and overlook the pool. Beautiful views. Now Tom and Jack are going to show us around their room, but let me show you where the rooms are situated as we head down to the dino park. Now you can see there's upstairs and downstairs, and all the rooms have these very large terraces, and I was really impressed with how beautiful the gardens were as well. It's just a really nice place to walk around. Behind this block is the water park, the dino park, and you can see 3 of the slides there, and there's loads more going on in that area. Now it's open every single day from 10 AM in the morning. A top tip is that there is more space down here for sunbeds, and why wouldn't you want to hang around down in this area where all the action is? Upstairs in the main hotel, you've got plenty of entertainment for the kids with a little arcade and pool tables. And you've also got these beautiful, comfortable seats that you can chill out and relax by day and night and just take in the views over the hotel. It really is a beautiful place, especially when that sun's rising. If you're feeling fit and healthy, you've also got a gym on site. And it's only a small gym, but if you want to train out with a beautiful view, this is ideal, especially first thing in the morning. One more bird's eye view of the hotel as we head downstairs, and I have a little sneaky peek in the restaurant to show you what breakfast looks like at the HL Paradise Island. I'll tell you what, I was quite impressed. Check this out. A nice, bright, modern restaurant where they serve breakfast, lunch and dinner. Jack and Tom are going to tell us all about lunch and dinner, but let's have a look at breakfast, starting with the good old fried eggs. You can certainly go to town on breakfast here with bacon, hash browns, beans, you've got real sausages, you literally have everything. Fried, scrambled and boiled eggs, and a selection of cold cut meats as well, which I always like in the hotel breakfasts. Plenty of cheese on offer too if you like a bit of cheese for breakfast, or you could make yourself some cheese on toast. Of course, this hotel has one of them special toasters that you pop the bread in one side and it pops out the other. If you've got a sweet tooth, just look at the amount of Nutella in that bowl and you can whack it on a load of fresh pancakes, or you can go for these amazing pastries. I tell you what, you'll be going back to bed after eating all that. But if you want to stay healthy, there is your yogurt and plenty of fruit on offer too, just to give you some energy for the day. I headed back upstairs to meet Tom and Jack in the bar area, which is open in the evening for drinks, cocktails, and you can relax on that beautiful terrace or go downstairs and see the live entertainment. So let's have a look at the rooms at the HL with Jack and Tom. Right, here we are. Lovely little apartment area around here, and Jack and Tom said they're in 236, which is just up here. So let's have a little look and see where they are. Here we go. 236 on the right hand side. Give him a knock. Jack, hello mate, where's your dad? There he is. Yeah. Tom, how are you mate? You alright? Wow, this is nice. Are you going to show me around? Yeah. Right, come on, let's go. So this is the Paradise Island. This is a big family hotel, isn't it? Yeah, it's probably one of the biggest around. It is. It's its own dino park, yeah. It's got its own water park. It's got everything, and the rooms are really bright, aren't they? They're really spacious. Lots of room. No table in the middle. How many people are in here? 4. 4 people in here. 2 adults and 2 kids. 2 adults, 2 kids. Yeah. So there's you, Jack, and then what's your wife and daughter's name? So it's Jessie and Ava. Jessie and Ava as well. So Jack, you and Ava are in here.
Yeah, so that's my bed.
Yeah.
And that's my sister's bed, and obviously you can see the little baby.
Wow. And is it comfortable?
Very comfortable.
Yeah.
That's hotel bed.
Really? The last hotel you were in was not so comfortable?
No.
But you're comfy in here. You've got a little bit of comfort. That's what it's all about. So we've got the terrace over there. We're going to have a chat on there in a minute. And then what have we got in this area here?
So basically we have our kettle, microwave, a fridge.
Fridge with all your stuff in.
Everything we need.
Bit of cider in there as well to keep you going for the day.
Absolutely.
So you've got that just for like if you want like microwave anything or coffee and tea. But baby's bottles, exactly. But you all inclusive?
We're all inclusive, yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're not using that.
And then you've got a little TV here.
We have a TV and we have about 18 English channels.
Oh wow, okay.
Yeah.
So we've got a little bathroom here with a nice big shower as well. So there's plenty of room in that shower, isn't there? So the shower is really modern and really nice. Yeah. And you've got everything you need down here. And there's a little view as well out here. Hairdryer as well, always a question from the ladies. So Tom, the kids are sleeping in here, so I take it you and the wife are through here then?
Yeah, this is where the magic happens.
So this is the
big
master bedroom. Big double bed, comfortable?
It's not so bad.
It's not too bad?
Lovely picture of Papagayo Beach.
Yeah, that's it. Have you been down to Papagayo Beach?
We have.
It's lovely, isn't it? Wow, that's actually quite nice. And it's quite a big room as well, nice and bright. It's got its own little terrace as well as the big terrace out there.
You have your big terrace out the front, and then you have this for just drying your clothes. You have a clothes horse, one chair.
Plenty of storage as well.
Yes,
yeah.
lots.
Loads.
And mirrors.
And I noticed up there, aircon. So we've got air conditioning as well. The lifeline. You need air conditioning at the moment, isn't it? Because it is roasting.
Yeah.
And the aircon's working really nice.
Yeah, the aircon works absolutely brilliant. Yeah.
Keeps you cool. Do you have aircon in there?
No, we just had to let it build up in here and then open the door.
Ah, all right.
Yesterday after the pill, it was freezing.
Oh, right, okay. So it fills the whole room then, even though it's only in the bedroom.
You leave the door open, it washes in there as well.
Well, if you get too hot, you just kick these two out, can't you?
Yeah.
And say, get in there.
Last night.
It's too hot. Did you get kicked out?
The little.
Fantastic.
Straight in the middle, and then I'm over here. 10 minutes later.
Right, and Jack, and then this is the big terrace. So you're going to show me out there?
Yeah.
Come on then.
So out here we have 3 chairs and a little round table to have a few drinks at. It's very warm out here later at night.
It's very hot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very hot from the sun. And we've got a nice view over at the mountains.
Oh, let's have a look. Go on, show me the view.
Just over here looking down, you can see all the mountains.
Oh, wow, that's lovely, isn't it?
You can see a few palm trees.
That is beautiful.
We don't really have anything else.
It's
the
quite
dino
nice
park's
here.
over there.
So what we're going to do, we're going to grab a little seat here, and you two are going to tell me everything, all right? Jack, I want loads of information, all right? Right then, we're here for a little bit of travel on terrace talk, just for Pat. Because
Pat, your number one fan.
My number one fan, Pat, who has followed me for there, you live next door to him, no?
I do, yeah.
And he said, Tom's coming over. I've told him he has to show you around the hotel, and honestly, I really appreciate it because you've stayed in a couple of hotels this week, haven't you?
Yeah, well, we stayed in the K Beach first. We stayed there for 5 nights before we came here.
Okay.
Yeah, we've also stayed in THB Corbetta, which is called
the Elba.
Elba.
Yeah. And Jack, have you always come to Lanzarote on holiday with your parents?
Yeah, most of the time. There's only been like 2 years, I think it is, that we went somewhere else.
Yeah, where did you go?
It was Portugal and Benidorm.
Ah.
Yeah, we have a house over in Portugal.
Oh, wow.
And I've actually been to France as well.
There you go, a little traveller already. He's a traveller already. So tell me about this, because we're in the Paradise Island. This is a massive family hotel, isn't it? It's huge.
It's huge, and it's very well family orientated.
Yeah.
The staff are brilliant.
Are they?
Yeah, they're very nice.
But it's so busy out there, isn't it?
So busy. It's so busy.
But when you go to the little park over there, there's loads, and that's where I spend most of my time.
Right, Jack, you need to tell me about this, because I'm going to be honest, I live literally around the corner from here, and I always see that dino park, and I've never seen anybody on there. I've never seen like loads of people sliding down. So is it open every day?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. It's just open.
Open every day, 10 to 6.
10 till 6. Yeah. And how many have you been down there and
I was
spent?
there yesterday.
And that's all included.
Yes, that's all included.
So tell me what it's like. Is it any good?
Yes, it's very good. The tall slide's very good at the start. At the end, you just have to push a bit.
Right, so it's that big.
You've
You've got inflatables and everything. Have you been down on it?
Yeah,
We've all
absolutely.
been down.
So have you been to the other water parks in Lanzarote?
We've been to the one in Costa de Guise.
That's the big one, isn't
That's
it?
the big one. We
Yeah.
were there, not this year, we were there last year.
Yeah.
We've never been to the Lanzarote Splash.
The Aqua Lava one.
Lava, yeah.
Well, there's the Aqua Park in Costa de Guise is more suited for like Jack's age.
Yeah.
But Ava's age is more
suited
suited
for
for
this
the
one.
one in Playa Blanca
Yeah.
because there's less slides. But in saying that, the one in Playa Blanca is a lot newer, so it's really modern in there.
Yeah.
So you've got 3 different slides. You've got a big toilet bowl that you go down. You'll love that one, Jack. And then you've got a lazy river and a wave pool as well. So when we walked in, there was one thing that I did notice, and that was loads of people reserving the sunbeds. Is it like that here?
You have to
Yeah.
come down at 4 o'clock, people take.
4 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah. Even if you get
4
down there
a.m. to
and
get your
get
towels.
your...
Right, so are you going down at 4 o'clock, Jack?
No, to Dino Park.
Oh, you're just at the Dino,
Dino
Park.
Park, yeah, there's a lot more sunbeds.
So there's loads more sunbeds. Well, I'd be at the Dino Park as well, no?
Absolutely.
That
yeah.
just makes more
It's just
sense
too
than to
busy
be
up there.
round one
Yeah.
pool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of the little slides for the kids down there.
Right, okay.
So it's kind of like a smaller water
Yeah,
park.
so this is great for the Dino Park then.
Yeah.
So what about, you're all inclusive, what's the food like? Any good?
Yeah, it's actually very good.
Yeah?
This morning we were just at breakfast. We had some pancakes.
Jack loves his pancakes.
Bit of pancakes. Irish sausages.
Yeah.
Well,
Irish,
I don't know
yeah.
if they're Irish, but they're not like the Frankfurt hot dog sausages.
Real sausages.
Yeah, real
see,
sausage.
See, I call them English sausages.
Yeah.
You call them Irish sausages. Wow. Okay. So you've got the real. So you can make yourself a full Irish.
Yeah, yeah.
A full Irish breakfast. Okay. But you have the pancakes,
Yeah.
and does it come with all the Nutella and stuff like that?
Oh yeah,
Oh.
the annoying thing is it comes out in a big massive blob.
Oh.
You get a big spoon and it has lots, so when you try pour it, it just all comes.
Yeah, 2 kids had 2 big stacks of pancakes and Nutella all over them.
Jeez.
I was a bit jealous.
So by the
myself.
time breakfast is finished, you have to clean them up and everything.
Yeah.
And what's dinner like?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
were there last night.
Yeah.
It was nice. We had
Yeah.
fried fish,
Yeah.
deep fried fish.
Yeah.
There was a paella,
Ooh.
a rabbit paella.
A rabbit paella.
Rabbit paella, yeah.
Unusual
I
that.
tried it, it was nice. Yeah, and I kind of dig
Do you not like fancy desserts,
No.
Jack? No? What do you
No.
like then for dessert?
Desserts, I'd go like a good old chocolate cake.
A good old chocolate cake
No,
or a bit of
chocolate
ice
cake
cream.
down there. Ice cream, yeah, and
Yeah.
jelly. They have
Right.
that.
So on the all-inclusive during the day, all your drinks are included. Is there somewhere to get drinks down at the Dino Park as well?
Yes.
There's a little like box there is,
Ah.
and you can just go up and get your drinks. So it's self-service for the drinks.
Okay, and what about like snacks during the? So you got like hot dogs, burgers, that sort of thing.
Yeah, yeah. That's there at the pill for you all the time, whenever you need it.
Ah, fabulous.
You can also go down from, I think it's from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
You can go and have lunch whenever you want.
Okay.
Yeah, that's always
You
open.
got breakfast, lunch,
and dinner.
dinner. You're gonna need to go on a diet after this holiday time.
Absolutely,
Jeez.
absolutely.
You are definitely that. But that's what I like about hotel like food is
Yeah.
that you can go in, you can try everything. You know, you can try a bit of rabbit paella,
Yeah,
and it doesn't matter, does it?
yeah, it
Whereas
doesn't
if you
matter.
went
If
to
you
a
don't like it,
restaurant
just
and
leave it.
ordered a rabbit paella, you'd be like, oh, I don't know if I'm going to like that,
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
you've got to pay for it. Have you been out and about eating and drinking or anything like that,
Yeah.
or are you just like on the all-inclusive, staying in the hotel?
No, we've been
last
down
hotel
to
we were
2
at.
restaurants
Yeah.
down the front,
Okay.
getting our steak and chips. We went up to Porta del Carmen as well.
Oh,
the,
right.
The Chinese buffet.
Oof. Yes.
How lovely buffet.
I tell you what, Tom, because you've got a car, haven't you?
Yeah.
Right, so if you've got a car, there is a brand new all-you-can-eat Chinese buffet in Arrecife. It's right next to the Decathlon and the McDonald's, and in that area, it's like, it looks amazing. It's huge.
Oh yeah.
So if you fancy a Chinese buffet and you've got the car, I would personally, I've not been there yet, but
Yeah.
I've seen some pictures, and it is massive. So
Oh,
I would recommend going up there.
100% be going.
We were at
Yeah,
McDonald's.
I love Chinese
We
buffet.
were at
went to McDonald's
and we
up in
got free
Arrecife.
towels. We got towels.
You've
They
got
have
towels?
Yeah.
Yeah, they have a
them there for
promotion
us.
on for a large meal. You pay
Yeah.
an extra €1 and you get a towel.
No way. McDonald's
We
towel?
got blue and red. We can show you if you want.
Yeah, go and get it. Right, so free towels at McDonald's. And how long's this offer on for? Do you know?
We
I
don't
haven't
know.
a clue how long it's on for.
Oh, I don't know, but I'll take it. I'm going to go up to McDonald's. Let's have a look then, Jack.
So we got this red one.
Oh, that's nice. Actually, that's not a bad towel, is it?
It's grand and big,
I
isn't
think
it?
they actually have more as well.
Go on then, show me the
They've
blue
4
one as
different
well.
colours. They have a yellow, a blue, a green and a red.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
We got 3 large meals.
The blue and the red.
Exclusive McDonald's towel promoted by Jack. There you go. They should give you commission on that. They're going to have loads of people.
Also on Burger King they have metal bottles.
Wow, okay.
So I don't know.
He knows more than me. I'll tell you what, you should come and live out here and you could be Mr. Jack 2 Travel On. You could tell everybody everything because you've given me more information than I give normal people.
Travel On Junior.
Travel On Junior, I love it. It must be a Jack thing.
Yeah.
It must be a Jack thing.
Confidence.
And how old are you, Jack?
11.
11. Wow, that is fantastic. Right, so we've talked about breakfast, dinner, lunch. What about nighttime entertainment? Anything going on? Well, listen, look, you've told me more than I need to know about this hotel. It is a great hotel. As I said, it is June, sort of nearly July now, so it is busy, isn't it?
Peak season.
And unfortunately, you do have to get your towels down, so that's the only downfall I see. Apart
So
from
far,
that,
that's
stay
the
there.
only downfall.
yeah, but the top tip from you two is get yourself down the dino park because there's more space. But look,
Everyone's happy.
I really do appreciate you coming out. I know you've only done it because Pat has hounded you and hounded you and hounded you. You got to do a video. But I have got you a little present, which Pat's going to go mad for because he's in the club, but now you two are in the club. So let me go and get it for you.
Lovely.
Right, so in true Travel On World fashion, if you show me around your hotel or you show me around your accommodation, you get a free gift. And Pat, like I said, is going to be devastated because he's now not the only one with
The travel
his
mug.
very own exclusive. These are exclusive, and I tell you what, people are begging me to buy them and everything. Exclusive Travel On World mug
Happy
with my
day.
ugly mug on your cup. So
Appreciate
there you
it,
go.
Pat. Thank you very much.
There you go.
Thanks,
That
Dave.
is amazing.
Pat will show you when we get home.
So there you go. You're part of the club now. You're part of the Travel On Club. But no, really, honestly, appreciate it. You two have been absolute legends. Thank you so much for showing me around. And
it.
don't forget, anybody that wants to show me around, just give me a little message, drop me a message, show me your room, because it's good to hear from people that are on holiday in Lanzarote and you can see a real view. So that's all from me. It's a big goodbye from me, and it's a big goodbye from Tom and Jack. See you later.
Ta-ra.
Cheers, lads.